Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tasty, easy and tried and tested recipe. So for this recipe, we will not be using the store-bought canned beans, rather we will be making the baked beans from scratch. So let's start. Details of all the ingredients are mentioned in the description box below. Let's start with making the baked beans first. In a pan, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of butter. Next, we will add ajwain, that is carom seeds, and saute it till you get a nice aroma. Next, we will add chopped onions and saute till they become translucent. We do not have to brown them. We will add chopped garlic and saute till the aroma goes away. We will add spring onions and saute for another 15 to 20 seconds. Next, we will add chopped tomatoes. Cook them till they become soft, mushy, and you see the oil being released from the sides. In order to fasten the cooking process, we will cover the pan with a lid and keep stirring it in between so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. Now while the tomatoes are getting cooked, let's quickly make the white sauce. Now in a pan, take 1 tablespoon of butter and heat it on a high flame. Now add 1 tablespoon maida, that is all-purpose flour, and stir it continuously till it becomes lightly brown. Now we will add 1 cup of warm milk. We will add only little at a time to avoid getting lumps. Keep stirring continuously so it doesn't stick to the pan. The sauce will start thickening soon. At this stage, we are going to add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of sugar, and some black pepper powder. Stir it for another minute and then we'll take it out in a bowl. The sauce will become more thick once it cools down. Now let's check the tomatoes. See, they have become so mushy and released all the oil. At this stage, we are going to add the chopped capsicum. Cook it till it becomes soft. Now once the capsicum is cooked, we will add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, some Italian herbs. You can also add oregano, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, and give it all a nice mix. We will also add around 3 tablespoons of water to adjust the consistency. We will add white beans. I had soaked it overnight and pressure cooked for 4 whistles on a high flame. Always add 1/4 teaspoon of soda while pressure cooking so it doesn't become too dry from inside. Next, we will add some black pepper powder, salt as per taste. Remember, even tomato ketchup has salt, so adjust it accordingly. Half a teaspoon of sugar and give it all a nice mix. Add some more water if required. Baked beans are ready. Now take a bun, cut a thin layer from the top. Now we will hollow the bun by scooping out all the bread from the center. This bread will not be wasted. I will store it in an airtight container in the fridge and use it as breadcrumbs in another recipe. Now we will fill the bun with a thick layer of baked beans. Now top it up with lots of white sauce. Last, we are going to add some grated cheese on top. Our first bun is ready to bake. Now we will repeat the same process for the second bun as well, but in this case we will cover the bun with top slice which we have removed. Cover the bun with the top slice, spread some tomato ketchup and sprinkle some grated cheese on the top. And our second bun is ready as well. You can prepare your buns either ways. Now we will bake the buns in 2 ways, one in the pan and second in the air fryer. In the pan, heat some butter, place the bun directly on it and cover the pan with the lid and let it cook on a low flame for a few minutes till it gets nicely toasted from the bottom and the cheese melts on the top. The other bun, I kept it in the air fryer at 160 degrees for 10 minutes. The cheese has nicely melted and this bun is ready. Even the second bun in the air fryer is ready to serve. If you want, you can even bake it in the oven at 180 degrees. Enjoy this creamy, cheesy bun for your breakfast or your evening snack. Sprinkle some chili flakes on the top and you're ready to go. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this recipe, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive notification about all my future videos. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.